Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody, everywhere where you are. We are right now on the waterfall. It's called Tumpak Sewu Trap Sewu Waterfall in Bodang Regency, East Java. I would like to tell to you that this waterfall is famous in this regency in Lumajang. We can also find many beautiful flowers, coffee tree, and then second tree that you can find. This is so beautiful area that near from the city of Lumajang. We can also find the good toilet here. Can find very good toilet here. It's clean, and then just pay 2,000 rupiahs, and then you can decide you choose male or female on that room. When we are going to this waterfall, we have to walk down to the waterfall. Okay, we are near from the waterfall. This is the tourist, local tourists from here. They also come from near from here. We can just want to drink a cup of coffee here, and you can see from here that is called Trapsewu waterfall near from the city. Okay, here we are.